The Pentagon recently declassified 162 UFO files, and the footage seems to defy physics. Today, we have infrared videos from Navy fighter jets tracking glowing, pill-shaped objects darting rapidly above the ocean, and photographs from NASA astronauts showing clusters of mysterious lights hovering over the moon. For decades, the U.S. military kept these reports locked away. Since the 1947 Roswell incident, a culture of intense government secrecy allowed public speculation to fill the silence. The prevailing narrative suggested the government possessed proof it refused to share. That tension reached a peak in 2023. Former intelligence officers sat before Congress and swore under oath that the United States government was operating a secret retrieval program for crashed alien spacecraft. The conflict is compelling. The videos are real. The people recording them are highly trained pilots and astronauts. But we need to distinguish between seeing extraterrestrial technology and seeing human perception being stretched by military hardware. The physics behind these specific declassified files reveals how readily human perception and military technology are pushed to their limits. The vacuum of space is a uniquely deceptive environment. Apollo 12 photographed 5 distinct lights glowing above the lunar horizon, and Apollo 17 reported seeing firework-like displays. During the Gemini 7 mission, the crew even reported a bogey surrounded by trillions of glowing particles. These reports are often shaped by the absence of an atmosphere. On Earth, our brains use atmospheric scattering to judge distance and scale. In space, that filter is gone. Without it, a tiny, bright object just outside the window looks identical to a massive, glowing craft miles away. Spacecraft also carry their own debris. When a capsule reaches orbit, it separates from its booster stage, which then drifts in a similar path. These stages continuously shed small flakes of thermal insulation and paint chips that float alongside the capsule. There is also the wastewater dump system. When the crew expels excess water into space, the zero-gravity environment and freezing temperatures cause that liquid to instantly crystallize into clouds of tiny ice. When sunlight hits those ice crystals, or paint chips, mere feet from the window, they shine brilliantly. This creates a cluster of bright points that can easily be mistaken for a distant glowing armada. Atmospheric sightings involve a different set of mechanical illusions. In Navy footage from 1999 and more recent UAP tracking videos, sensors lock onto objects that appear to move at impossible speeds without emitting any heat signature. This is frequently caused by the parallax effect. As a jet passes a stationary weather balloon, the rapid change in observation angle makes the balloon appear to shoot backward. When calculating airspeed and wind direction, the impossible object is revealed to be drifting quite slowly. Some objects also appear to rotate midair on military targeting screens. This is often an artifact of the gimbal mount. As the jet moves, the infrared camera physically twists to keep the target centered. The resulting video feed rotates, making it look as though the object itself is turning. These encounters don't document a breach in physics. They document the mechanical limits of the military cameras and the extreme speed of the observation platform. Other atmospheric anomalies include objects hovering near wind turbines and cases like the 2023 Imphal airport incident, where an object was visible to the eye but completely invisible to radar. Large birds often glide on the thermal updrafts created by wind turbines. On a military thermal camera, a bird riding a warm current doesn't show wings or feathers. It registers as a glowing, shapeless blob that appears to be observing the turbine. This confusion has historical roots. In 1947, the military's shifting statements at Roswell, first claiming a flying disc and later a weather balloon, turned mundane debris into the foundation of modern alien lore. When human eyes or sensors encounter uniquely shaped drones or balloons without context, the unknown is often categorized as extraterrestrial by default. The official designation, unidentified anomalous phenomena, signals a lack of actionable data, whether that's a blurry video feed, a radar glitch, or a sensor limitation. By releasing these 162 files, the Pentagon is practicing bureaucratic transparency. This collection of unresolved cases demonstrates that the military is managing incomplete information rather than a hidden biological reality. According to the famous Drake equation, the observable universe is so incredibly vast that alien life almost certainly exists somewhere out there. These specific UAP videos document the limitations of our technology and human perception. We must account for our own flaws before we can accurately identify life beyond Earth.